Sri Bhagwati Manufacture, Check Weigher Machine for Bottle. A check weigher machine for bottles plays a critical role in ensuring the accuracy and consistency of filled containers across various industries, including pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, and cosmetics. These machines are designed to automatically weigh each bottle as it moves along the production line, verifying that it meets specified weight requirements. This process is essential for maintaining product quality, regulatory compliance, and customer satisfaction. The operation of a check weigher involves precise measurement using sensitive load cells or weighing mechanisms. As bottles pass through the machine on a conveyor belt, they are momentarily stopped for weighing. If a bottle's weight deviates from the acceptable range, the check weigher triggers an alarm or rejects the bottle from the line. This capability helps in identifying and addressing issues such as overfilled or underfilled bottles before they reach the market, thereby minimizing product recalls and ensuring consistency in product packaging. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.